Yeah. Okay.
It's the Nokia 2720 Flip, and it really goes back and looks at some of those iconic Nokia devices of the past, reimagines them for a new generation of users. So we have a beautiful, easy to use traditional feature phone design, but we've improved it, really smart features, AI-driven features like an integrated Google Assistant.
Yes.
320.
20.
So you're not up to that?
That's fine.
I just wonder, it's half an hour now, do we have?
The feature phone market is really interesting, and what we've seen with our Nokia Originals family is that people, even here in Western markets, are extremely excited about innovative, easy-to-use devices. For some people, it's a primary device, so something they use every day. Sometimes that's driven by affordability, but for others, it's a fun secondary device, perhaps a digital detox device, if you like, that people really enjoy using at weekends and when they've got downtime.
Feature phones are an exciting category because a third of the world's population has yet to go online, and this is going to be that low-cost method of getting people connected.
So we have a beautiful 6.3-inch FHD Plus display and pure display technology. So that means we have a dedicated imaging processor on the device from our partners at Pixelworks. And what we're able to do is upscale all of your content in real time from SDR to HDR. We also feature an adaptive display. So what that means is all that great content on this display is actually an LCD display, but actually is OLED rivaling in many use cases. It means it looks good irrespective of the lighting conditions. So we're able to adjust to the ambient light conditions. So whether you're indoors or outdoors on a bright sunny day, the screen and the content still looks great.
If I had dill in my teeth, I wouldn't know because I had the mouth.
One of the things that we've always stood for with our Nokia smartphones, with products like the Nokia 7.2, is bringing premium experiences, premium features, but at an affordable price point. And that's our approach to 5G. So we're super focused on bringing a very value-oriented 5G product. We've already spoken about bringing that next year, and we want to bring the very best 5G experiences, really value experiences to the whole broad, wide range of consumers.